The iPhone is about to lose its most famous cutout. No notch, no pill, just screen. New leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro is hiding Face ID under the display, adding a pro-level camera trick, and launching Apple's biggest redesign in years. Watch till the end because one feature might change how every phone looks after 2026. Apple isn't playing small this time. According to multiple leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, expected in September 2026, could be the most radical iPhone upgrade since Face ID itself. So let's break down what's coming and what actually matters to you. First, the biggest change, under-display Face ID. This is the headline feature everyone's been waiting for. Apple is finally testing Face ID hidden completely under the screen. What does that mean for you? An almost full-screen iPhone. The only thing left will be a tiny selfie camera cutout, and it's reportedly being shifted to the top left corner. The dynamic island, it's still alive, but it'll be smaller, relying more on software than hardware. It's clean, modern, and finally feels futuristic. And to match that new design, Apple might be done playing it safe with colors. Leaks are showing off burgundy, brown, and purple. The burgundy, in particular, is getting a lot of attention. It's deep, premium, and bold. This is Apple basically saying, yes, you can stand out. When it comes to the displays themselves, things are pretty straightforward. The iPhone 18 Pro, it's a 6.3-inch 120Hz screen, while the Pro Max bumps up to 6.9 inches. The standard iPhone 18 and a new iPhone Air 2 will stick with the dynamic island. So, smooth and bright across the board, no surprises, but thankfully, no downgrades either. Now, I'm about to share the secret that most people never tell you. The real camera upgrade isn't about megapixels, it's about control. The iPhone 18 Pro may get a variable-aperture main camera. In simple terms, this lets the camera lens physically open wider in low light for brighter photos and get tighter in bright scenes for sharper details. It also creates that beautiful, natural background blur without relying on fake software tricks. This is real photography, not just filters doing gymnastics. The catch, this feature might be Pro Max only, which, yeah, that's classic Apple for you. And speaking of control, the camera button might be getting an upgrade too. Apple may ditch the finicky capacitive touch for pressure-based controls. This means it'll be more reliable, more tactile, and you won't be left wondering, why didn't it respond? Sometimes, progress is just fixing what annoyed everyone. Under the hood, we're looking at the A20 Pro chip, built on a new 2nm process. That translates to faster performance, a cooler device, and better battery life. Apple is also expected to use its own C2 modem in the Pro models, finally replacing Qualcomm. This means better efficiency and even tighter control over their ecosystem. One of the more ambitious leaks is about satellite-based 5G. This isn't just for emergency SOS anymore. We're talking about actual, basic connectivity even when you're in a total no-signal zone. It might not be fully ready by 2026, but the groundwork is definitely being laid. And to power all this new tech, the Pro Max battery could hit a massive 5,100 mAh, which is huge for an iPhone. If these leaks are even half true, the iPhone 18 Pro isn't just an upgrade. It's a reset, a cleaner design, a smarter camera, and hidden tech that actually matters. If you want more real tech breakdowns without the fluff, hit like, share this with an Apple fan who needs to see it, and subscribe so you don't miss what Apple tries to keep quiet next.